How to remove silence from an audio file in Ocean Audio. First of all, open Ocean Audio and load the audio file you want to edit by dragging it into the window or selecting it through the File menu. Once the file is loaded, you will see the waveform displayed, which helps you easily spot any silent section. Now, visually inspect the waveform. Silent parts usually appear as flat section with little to no amplitude. You can zoom in using the zoom tool to get a better look at these areas. Next, select the silent section by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. Once selected, you can either press the delete key or go to edit and then delete to remove that portion of the silence. After removing the silence, it's important to play the file back to ensure that it flows naturally and there are no abrupt cuts. If needed, you can undo the deletion and try again adjusting the selection more precisely. You can repeat this process for any other silent section in the file, ensuring the audio sounds clean and uninterrupted. Finally, once you are satisfied with the edits, go ahead and save your new audio file by selecting File and then Save As, giving it a new name to keep your original file intact. And that's it. Now you know how to remove silence from an audio file in Ocean Audio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.